Hello, and welcome to another episode of Better Cocktails at Home. I'm Brian Johnson, and we're here in the Quarter Deck Club, our home bar. And this episode, we're making a drink called Hotel Room Temperature. Now, this is the third part of the cocktail trilogy created by Kirk Estopinal of New Orleans. He's a bartender down there. And so the trilogy is called Halfway to a 3 Ways to Lose Your Lover. And really what this trilogy has been, if you go back and look at our first 2 videos in it, it's all these exact same ingredients, but slightly different ratios, different preparation styles, and really it's to kind of show how you can get very different drinks with the same ingredients, but just doing different methods and techniques for cocktail construction. So I've been really excited about it. I really like all of the drinks in this trilogy. They're all very interesting and kind of unusual. And this one is unusual in that it's a room temperature cocktail, hence the name Hotel Room Temperature. So we're just going to build this right in our glass. And this is going to be a room temperature cocktail, so no ice. We're just going to add our stuff in, give it a quick stir, and it's done. So the first ingredient is sweet vermouth, specifically Carpano Antica. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of this. And we'll add that to our rocks glass. Next up is our El Dorado 12-year Guyana rum. So this is going to be 3/4 ounce. And we'll add that. Next up, we're going to do a short 1/4 ounce. And the recipe originally calls for a Marie Brizard orange curacao. I don't have that, so I'm using Pierre Ferrand's dry curacao, and it works really well in this drink. So we're going to do a short 1/4 ounce. And add that. And that's it for kind of our measured ingredients. Next up, we have 2 dashes of Bitterman's Mole bitters. And then our final ingredient is going to be 8 drops of salt tincture, functionally saline. So this is 3 parts water to 1 part salt. And it's very strong, so when it says 8 drops, you want to be pretty exact and do 8 exact drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so like I said, we have everything done there. All we're going to do is just give it a couple times around just to kind of integrate the ingredients. Doesn't take much. And then for the garnish on this drink, it's an orange peel. So we're just going to get a nice swath of it, express the oil into the drink, and then drop it in. And we're done. That's hotel room temperature. Let's give it a try. I really enjoy it. I actually really like room temperature cocktails. The aromatics, I think, are a little more present, especially with the sweet vermouth. You really get that come through. The rum, it just kind of gives a little bit of body for the drink, a little bit of alcohol. You really don't taste, at least I don't taste it much. Definitely get the orange oil and from the orange peel. That really kind of comes through, especially when you're going to take that sip. A little bit of salt kind of as the taste finishes out, you get the salt. So it's a really delicious cocktail. Really simple to make. I really like that about it. I think it's just the whole entire thing is very creative, and that's this trilogy is published in the Beta Cocktails cocktail book, and I think it really illustrates well the concept of using the same ingredients but in different ways and creating different drinks. And so it's been really a fun experience for me to kind of make all of the drinks in the series, taste them all. And so I urge you, give it a try, go back, watch all 3 episodes, make one order, make them backwards, reverse order, I don't think it really matters. But just give it a try and see what you think. But that is hotel room temperature.